try to show you how the engine sounds when you remove this air filter. So insane, man. Hey guys, welcome to the world of track packing. Let's get started. In this video I'm gonna show you how to clean your bike's air filter. So for that we require some tools. That is this one, tada, the brush. Yo baby, yo brush. So and we may require I'll keep this aside. We have to open this. Before to do that, let me do that. So why I open this? I need this tool. Need this tool kit to open that. In that I require what I require here. Sorry, not that. This one, yeah, and a holder. So this is enough for me now because my bike requires this much, and I'll keep this aside so that it will not make any disturbance. So for us, I'll keep this here. Okay, let me put this. It's all set. I'm gonna remove this. Let me keep here. And in KTM Duke 390 the air filter is situated in this box. So for that we need to remove this. Sorry, we need to change this. Yes. Actually it is pretty easy because KTM has designed this kind of features very handy. It's like a do it yourself DIY, as the rest of people says. So let me keep this here. Need to open this. No, how it will get open. Okay, here you go. This is the air filter. So for this I think need to push this one. Okay, finally. Oh my god. So there are two types of air filters are available. One is a sponge air filter, one is cotton air filter. I think this one is a cotton paper air filter. This is the one side of that, and if I turn this one, wow, look at this. Look at this, man, look at this. Okay, to clean that we require this brush, beautiful brush, and start doing this. Look at this, bloody. Let me sit down and let me do this because it's more comfortable. Can you see this one? I have not cleaned this from long time, that's why it's looking like this. So this is the way to do the cleaning process for the air filters. If you are doing this regularly, please do comment down below and let everyone knows about that. So this is the thing which I have done it now, but it's not fully cleaned. The method is like this. There are solvents which you have to put for this. Further procedures are there to do that, but since my air filter is gone almost, I cannot do anything from this. I'll put this back and I'll end this vlog here. So the method of putting this one is like this. They have got two locking systems here. Yep, this is the thing, and push it and lock it. That's it. Okay guys, with that note, I'm gonna end this vlog here. If you like this video, please do hit a like button, and if you are not following me on Instagram and Facebook, please do follow there, and see you in the next videos. Tada, bye bye, see you.